good morning! Alam niyo ba, 2 hours lang ang tulog ko. Naantok na ako ngayon. Grabe talaga yung insomnia ko guys with this pregnancy. But, laban lang taani. So, kinuha ko na yung aking, tawag nito, the paper fell down. Verenpine. Yung blood pressure, pulse. And nag-test na rin ako ng urine. Okay naman siya. But yung weight ko, hindi ko siya nakuha, guys. Kasi the weighing scale is not working well. So maybe doon na lang sa loob with the Tervedenhoitaya. What is Tervedenhoitaya in English? It's also a nurse. But it has like more education. And they usually work in Teruskeskus, like sa mga health centers. It's like a community nurse as well. But they have more studies compared to a nurse. Ayun. So, hinihintay na lang namin. And today, maybe is our last appointment. I don't know. Maybe in couple of days, manganganak na ako. But, let's see. Hintayin na lang namin na tawagin yung aming pangalan.
Salan 40 välillä siinä pysyy.
Tapos na kami nagpa-check up, guys. Everything is okay. Baby's heartbeat is okay. And the baby's head is still down. So, it's good. So, punta muna kami ng trio sandali ni Nico. So, natitingnan ako doon sa store. Tapos next week meron pa akong another check-up with the Hoitaya. But sabi niya kapag nakita niya na yung pangalan ko is andun na sa hospital, may nakalagay na siya ng Osasto, and then hindi na namin kailangan tumawag sa kanya. Alam niya na nasa hospital na kami. If ever manganak na ako next week. But let's see. Dito na tayo sa trio, guys, yung mall dito sa amin sa Lahati. Kasi malapit lang to doon sa health center. Kaya drive na lang kami din dito. Tapos may titingnan din ako doon sa H&M. Uy, may ano sila, oh, display sila, oh. Sa airplane, daddy, oh. Is this the one that they put there in Hamingkoski or different? May aeroplano dito sa loob ng mall. Amazing. Dito tayo, guys, sa H&M. May titingnan lang ako. Pero kung meron tayong magustuhan, ibilihin natin. Kung merong sale. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila. Oh, wala, ang cute. Cute nito, oh. This is so nice, oh. Malya ko. Mga nakasale ito, guys, oh. Sus, matintal na pagdaan. May band-aid ako, guys, kasi kinunan pala ako ng blood para sa tawag nito hemoglobin. baby's toys, Daddy, oh. Hindi na tayo bibili sa binili ko. Ala, ang cute. Si Nico guys, ayaw na ako samahan doon sa Lindex kaya magkapi na siya. Sabi niya, wala naman daw siya bibilin sa Lindex or sa Linde. So, andun na siya guys sa coffee shop. Pabili na rin ako sa kanya ng kape. Tingin lang ako dito kung meron silang mga baby stuff or something na pwede nating mabili na sale. So, akyat tayo guys kasi andito pala sa second floor yung mga baby stuffs. Mga baby clothes, ganyan. Tingin lang naman ako. Ayan, may mga nakasale nga sila. Ay, ang cute. Newborn din ito, oh. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute naman. Ay, may naka-discount, oh. Sale na ito, guys. Wala tayong nabili doon sa Lindex, guys. Kasi halos meron na kasi kami ng mga damit. Ayoko na ng damit, guys. Garap ako ng iba. Hanapin na natin si Nico dito para makiinom na tayo ng coffee. Saan kaya nakaupo yun? Ah, dito pala siya. My husband is here. Ah, you have a date?
Huh?
You have a date?
No, mga kanasito.
Someone else? Hati lang pala kami nito guys. Akala ko sa kanya to lahat. Sabi niya sa akin daw yung iba. Kain tayo. Ang laki pala ng kape na binili ni Nico guys. Hindi ko man yata niya maubos. Daddy! Basta kami nag-coffee guys. So ngayon, baba tayo kasi merong bagong Asian store na bukas dito. And gusto namin tingnan ni Nico yung ano yung mga paninda nila doon. Ang pangalan ng store is yung Alanya. Actually, may nakapunta na ako na ganyang store doon sa Helsinki. Pero ito guys is kakabukas lang nila. Last 2 weeks ago yata. Or a few weeks ago. So, not very long. Kakabukas lang nila. So, check natin kung ano yung mga paninda nila doon. Ayan na guys, nahanap namin. Ayan, check natin dito. It's over here, Daddy. Let's check what they have. Ah, meron din sila kagaya din sa Helsinki, oh. Mga fresh vegetables. Ah, they have coconut. But I don't have a coconut scraper. May coconut. This is coconut, Daddy. Oh. Nee, this is much smaller. In Philippines, that was bigger na. Yan. May mga gulay din sila dito. Oh. This is much bigger chili. Oh. Yan. Tapos, ano pa mga binibenta nila dito? Yung mga mushrooms din. Dates. Tingnan natin. Frozen stuff. Frozen meat. Ito is more on ano sila yung Turkish. Ay, now I can buy maybe here. Meron sana sila ditong ano guys. Yung tawag nito sticky rice. I wanna look if they have sticky rice. Meron sana. Rosana. Duran parboiled. Hanap tayo ng sticky rice dito sa kanila. Favorite. Yung favorite ko guys, baklava. Yan o. Moy. No. Katsun ensi.
Jos tulee jotain, niin voitte pyytää.
Joo, kiitos. Yan baklava guys. May fresh meat sila oh. Chicken. Sarap kaya ng fried chicken. This is 4 kilos. Beef and lamb. Ayan na guys, alam na namin saan banda pero kahanap ako nung sticky rice. Glutinous, sticky rice. Sticky rice ya, glutinous rice ba? Yung malagkit. Kumain ng biko. May kahingal. But yeah, wala sila dito. Meron pa namang maha sa bahay. Walang bonito. Hello guys! So ito na yung crib namin guys. It's a Stokey Sleepy Mini. Today na siya i-assemble ni Nico. We got this one from Ukay Ukay as well. It's a second hand. Actually may gustong ibigay sa akin yung friend ko guys. Pero malaki kasi yung kanilang crib. So I wanted a smaller one. So, ito is pwede naman siyang ma-extend. Kailangan lang bilihin yung mga ibang parts nito guys later. So, for the first 6 months, it will be the Sleepy Mini. And then, ma-extend siya na ma-extend guys. Ayan, so i-assemble yan ni Nico today. It was a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. Kasi naman yung brand niya. And this can be used until age of even like 6 years old, Daddy, no? As long as the child will fit in there. Because it can be extended into a bed later. And this is very Kateva or very... what is Kateva in English? Something, this is like a very nice crib guys because there's a ano to yung tawag nito, may gulong siya tapos meron siyang stopper. So example, gusto namin i-move si baby dito na side or doon sa bed namin or doon sa kusina. So pwede namin ma-roll yung crib. Ayan. So if i-fix lang to ni Nico today. And of course, instructions as always. Pag mga fins guys, magbabasa talaga yan sila ng instruction paano i-assemble. Ayan. But the person where we bought this one, sobrang layo ng pinuntahan namin guys. Nung binili namin tong crib na to. Yeah. So, assemble na to ni Nico. Siguro i-insert ko dito guys yung video nung kinuha namin tong crib na to guys. Sobrang layo. Pero sa Uusimaa yun na area dito sa Finland. Kibale, parang province. Is it also a province? In Uusimaa, Daddy, no? It's a province there in Uusimaa. But a little bit further from Helsinki and Espoo. It was quite a drive to go there. But yeah, we were able to gather the things for the baby slowly by slowly, guys. And na labhan na pala ni Nico yung mga ibang baby stuff, guys. Like ito, galing ito doon sa Kela box. Sa Kela box ba ito galing, guys? Basta nalabhan na ni Nico, so pinagtutupi ko na. Tapos si Nico naman yung mag-aayos ng crib ni baby, guys. Is it difficult to assemble? No. So, yung instruction guys.
Joo, mä luulen, että on Swedish.
Yeah. It's very nice na the color as well. I actually wanted to get the puinen, like the same like our cabinet color. Yan yung binili namin doon sa used, guys. Tung inayos ni Nico yung floor namin dito sa kwarto. But yeah, I think the white is very nice color for the baby. What do you think? Please comment down below if everybody wants like a color like that or like a white one.
At least this is a neutral.
Neutral. It can be for boy and girl.
I don't know, some people paint this, but
Yeah, when we checked in the Tori, there was someone who wanted to sell, who was selling like the same kind of brand and the same model, but it was actually very close here, no, Daddy? Or was it farther from us? Yeah, but the thing is that they colored it into white, so I prefer the one that is like naturally na ganun na talaga siya, yung hindi ginalaw yung ano, yung pagkaganito, yung ano niya ba, walang binago. Kasi guys, ito even sa ukay-ukay naman ito nabili after couple of years or months, we don't know, so we can still resell this one in the ukay-ukay. Same place in the Tori Pistafi because this is a very good brand.
this is keep the value.
Yeah, it's there's really a value for money, Daddy. What do you think, no? Yeah, because actually it was like very expensive. I think I got this one 250 euros. But I think it was okay because the brand new for this is almost 500 euros. Or more than 500, including the patia or the foam, and then for the urine protector, everything. So ganito lang siya kalaki, guys. Di siya ganun kalaki talaga. So if we are watching TV, we can move the crib in here. It's actually very nice. I really like it, and it has like a minimalist look. It's not so big. But if we're going to have a very tall baby like you, maybe 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, we need to have the extension right away. But we can get the extension as well in the ukay-ukay, guys. So that is one of the things that we need to think about later.
They are selling these parts.
Yeah, they sell it. You can also buy the new one, or if you find it in the tori.fi, then we can get it from there.
You guys need to go to Repistefi too.
Yeah. Yeah, if they come and move to Finland.
Nino, you are just joking there in the Philippines, but it's no sense to buy them
Yeah.
here. And
But
send
if
them.
they are living here in Finland and they wanted to get
If here it's one way to
save money and looking stuff. Yeah. The Tori talaga, guys. Tori is market, no? Tori.fi.
How much is the cost to send something to Philippines?
It's so expensive. It's like, I don't know. It's like almost 10,000 pesos to send like a package to Philippines. But
There was
yeah.
one time sending two.
Yeah, but I stopped it because it's so expensive to send a package in Philippines, Daddy, and to fill the box, it's also expensive. It's better to send the money there, and then Mom can just go to SNR or other big shops. She can buy what she want.
In the Philippines, I visited this local ukay-ukay too.
Ah, you went? Yeah.
But the concept was a little different.
You went to the Japanese ukay-ukay with Kuya Ramel.
I think you also.
Yeah. After when you
Those
went
stuff
for...
was, in the boxes.
in the boxes.
And I don't know, is it for that, though you rent the box where you sell something, or is it the
The entire one.
owner
decides.
keep it. It's property of the owner. I don't know where they get that material.
Basically, those were like a surplus shops. Most of them are from Japan. Yeah, because in Japan there's also many ukay-ukay places.
Okay. One
So
thing what I don't understand is this
that is
metal
where
wheel
you put the
here.
level for the patya.
Where's the level?
It's over there on the other side.
That's I wonder too. That where is it?
So Nico already put today the telaka for the car seat in the car. He also tried the car seat as well and fit it there, and he said it was perfect. Nani? Is it moving? Yeah, it's very nice guys kasi ito meron din siyang stopper dito sa baba. Yan o. No, so hindi siya gagalaw. And lahat ng gulong, meron siyang 4 na gulong. So meron siyang stopper. It's very nice. Ang ganda niya guys. Aesthetic talaga din siya. Tapos minimalist yung look niya.
This model is quite simple. Täällä on tarkas.
Okay.
Eikä tässä ole, ei tällä ainakaan mitään merkkiä.
Okay.
Tai no ainoa mikä on, koska tää on tällä puolella ja tää on tällä puolella. Miten se pitää tulla niin kuin näin päin, koska ei se muuten ja toi tulee vasen. Nyt se on. No.
So it's gonna be safe for the baby because you... Okay, now I think it's okay. You've put... Now Nico is putting the screws to lock everything. Baby's not gonna fit in our bed and you're already a baby. You cannot sleep without me. Is it possible you sleep on your own tonight? I don't know. Ito kasi si Nico guys, hindi siya nakakatulog pag hindi ako katabi. Parang bata din to eh. Sanay lang siya. Yan. So you fit already the, what you call this one, Daddy? The car seat and the telaka, the alusta. They are okay. And it's like turning 360 degrees when you put.
No tavallaan joo, riippuvan, it's depend which side you put. It's turned like 90 degrees this way. Yeah, then if you put another side of the car 90 degrees, it's not. I think it's not fitting.
Yeah.
In the car.
Okay, like 360, but it can be turned. Hyvä. That was better that it's turning because as the baby grows, then we need to change the car seat as well. And it's easy to put.
Mutta I think se semmoinen koroke. Se on helppo.
But actually, there's like a car seat. Before that we use the koroke, the other car seat. It can fit on that. We just need to buy the same kind of brand, and then, but the different model for a much bigger one. Okay. But it will fit in there. Laki ng aking chan, guys. Yan nyo. Actually, ngayon, nag-aano siya, supistos, yung Harioitus supistos. Ano tawag nito? Braxton Hicks contraction. As of the moment, tingnan nyo, sobrang tigas. Kasi Braxton Hicks contraction, nagpa-practice contraction si baby. I mean, yung aking tiyan. Yeah, and kapag ganito guys, naiihi na ako. Like, I go to toilet too many times in a day. Itatago daw ni Nico yung instruction guys, yung manual niyan para kung ibebenta namin siya later on, then kompleto siya. So ito na yung ating crib guys. And Nico will put the, patya. In Finnish guys, ang tawag sa foam is patya. But on top of that, we need to put a virtsasuoja for the urine protector. So, if example, merong accident that the urine that the urine will, what you call this one? Malalampas siya ba doon sa diaper, so hindi mababasa itong ating foam. Mas lalagyan natin siya nito. Yan yung isa sa bedsheet. And, may binili din akong extra bedsheet, guys. For this model. So, yan guys, is nilabhan na namin to lahat. It's important to wash everything. And it's better to wash all the baby clothes ng Hayoton or yung walang perfume. Yeah, ito namang patya guys is used na rin ito. Yeah. Used na rin ito sa ukay-ukay ko rin to binili. Itong yung virtsasuoja or yung para sa urine protector, pati ito. But yung patya or yung foam, kasama siya dito sa bed na binili namin guys, na itong crib. Kasama siya dyan. Yan, oh. The other side. Noni, se on ihan hyvä. Noni. And no need blanket. Baby don't need blanket.
So sleep here.
You will sleep there?
Have you put the Pimo here?
Timo sleeps there. No, that is already good. Very nice. So, ito naman guys, yung ating car seat for the baby. And then, papa-attach na natin kay Nico itong kaukalopusi. Ito yung warmer. Need to put it here. Ready, so we don't need to figure it out later. So, ilalagyan lang natin siya ng plastic para hindi siya maalikabukan, guys. Kasi naglulunis pa rin kami dito sa bahay. And, may alikabok, ganyan. So, kailangan na natin itong i-arrange.
Olisiko se tonne alle?
I really don't know how to put it, but
Onkohan täällä suomenkielistä ohjelmaa?
so, titignan din ko sa YouTube, guys, paano ilalagay. Kasi nakalimutan ko rin. I don't remember.
saa sitten irrotettua tämän takaosan. Tuolla on pyy.
I think it's right.
Tää pitää kaivaa Eiku hei, täällähän on ihan oma
There's a own
reikä
place.
tälle. No.
No niin.
Tää on ihan tarpeeksi sen kummempaa. En mä tiedä miksi tää on like removable.
No niin. Hyvä.
Ja sitten täällä on vielä se, että onko nämä vyöt tässä. Mutta eihän se aluksi nyt päätä tänne saa. Eihän se nyt ole kuin tässä näin, kun se on niin pieni. Että...
Niin.
No.
No niin, hyvä. Ito yung, guys, basket na nilagyan ko na siya ng mga diapers, tapos yung wipes, hair comb, tapos yung Hoito Voide, zinc voide or zinc, tapos ito yung para sa akin naman yung para sa boobies, guys, yung para sa nipple cream. Ano to? Ito yung oil, baby oil. Tapos yung nipple disposable pads. Ayan. So, may mga kailangan pa pala akong bilihin. So, baka tomorrow punta kami ng Karkainen or sa ibang store. Dadaanan namin, guys, para makabili tayo ng iba pang mga kailangan natin ni baby. Sobrang dami pa palang kailangan bilihin. Ayan. But it's okay, guys. Paunti-unti matatapos din to and konti na lang. Grabe yung liig ko, guys. Sobrang itim na. Mas ang dami kong warts with this pregnancy. Wala akong ganito with Anika, but it's okay. Hormones man yan, guys. Mawawala lang din yan. So, yun lang naman for today and we are waiting slowly, guys. Matatapos din to lahat and almost ready naman talaga. Parang si baby na lang yata yung hinihintay namin. But it will take a couple of weeks pa and days. Kasi nga hindi ko pa kabuanan. Pero pag lumabas si baby anytime now, like this week, it's gonna be okay kasi nga fully developed na rin siya. No need mag-NICU or mag-NICU, ganyan. But yun, we're just waiting. It's a matter of time talaga. Kailan siya lalabas. So, anytime soon. That's why we are slowly putting everything into its place para pagdating niya is lahat ready na. Ayun. Sobrang lago ko, guys, as in, and sobrang itim ng aking mga mata kasi grabe yung aking insomnia with this pregnancy. As in, hindi ako nakakatulog ng gabi. Last night, guys, nakatulog ako ng maaga pero 2 hours lang. Nagising ako ng 4 o'clock kasi nga galaw siya ng galaw. Malikot siya. Tapos, niready namin si Anika for school, kumain ng breakfast, and pumunta din kami ng health center today to see my nurse. And then, sabi ko sa kanya na mas okay ako ngayon, na mas active ako ngayon. Hindi ako ganun kapagod, but kulang pa rin ako sa tulog. Sabi niya, tinanong niya ako nung oras ako natutulog or nakakatulog. Sabi ko, like example, last night, sinabi ko nakatulog ako ng mga 12:30, 1 o'clock. But nagising rin ako ng 4 o'clock something to urinate. Too many times pabalik-balik sa toilet. So sabi niya, oo. So paglabas ni baby, magiging ganun din yung routine. Sabi ko, yeah, I know. But I think it's not gonna be lasting for a very long time. Maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And then we can start preparing and training the baby for nighttime sleep. Ayun. Pero ganun naman talaga usually. Even for Anika, ganun din yung naging routine. So, it's not gonna be my first time, but this is kind of like different kasi nga mas matandaan ako ngayon, di ba? And, ayun. But it's a good thing na guys, ito sa Finland, sobrang supportive talaga ng mga nurses and mga doctors to pregnant women. And sobrang blessed ko guys na napaka-supportive din talaga ng asawa ko. Ayun, so nagtutupi lang ako ng mga damit ngayon. Ito yung bagay na hindi ko usually ginagawa guys. Kasi nga tamad akong magtupi ng damit. That's why I don't have a lot of clothes. Kasi mas gusto ko yung konti lang yung damit ko para konti lang din yung labahan ko or yung labahan namin. Tapos, di baling pa ulit-ulit. Basta, wala akong masyadong clutter. Nakakapagod kasi kapag maraming damit. Yan, sumisipat na naman siya. Ayun. But yeah, we need to rest soon kasi 11 o'clock na ng gabi. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng aming mga vlogs. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel namin guys, The Lindemans and Lindemans Outdoors. Konti na lang talaga guys, makikita na natin si baby. Excited kami guys, I know you too are so excited to see how baby Lindeman looks like. Sobrang excited ako guys. And si Nico din. And kanina pala nung hindi na tumatapos tong vlog na to. Habang natutulog ako guys, inayos niya na pala yung car seat, ganyan. Sabi ko, parang kang aligaga. Sabi niya wala daw kasi siyang magawa. Kaya inayos niya na daw. Sabi ko okay, that is good. But sabi ko rin sa kanya magpahinga din siya. Ayun. So magpapahinga na kami ngayon guys. Gawa tayo ng panibagong video. Baka bukas. I don't know. Let's see. Konti na lang talaga guys, lalabas na siya. Grabe na talaga yung hingal ko. Hindi na ako nakakahinga na maayos talaga madalas. Lalo na kapag naka-supine position ako or nakahiga ako guys. Ayun. I'm just so happy that everything went well. Tama pala, nakalimutan ko i-mention na yung check-up namin kanina sa Nyovola. Sabi ng nurse ko guys is everything was okay. Even though meron akong gestational diabetes, the baby was not, hindi siya ganun, hindi siya malaki, hindi siya maliit, sakto lang yung laki niya, pati yung timbang ko guys, sakto lang din, lahat is okay. So, as long as ganon, mapapanatag tayo guys na okay, magiging okay lahat. We just need to pray hard na sana maging safe yung delivery ko because we are really aiming to do normal delivery or yung vaginal delivery. Though cesarean section ako kay Anika before. But we need to trust God kung anong plano niya. I lift up everything to Him. Siya na ang bahala. I know everything is gonna be okay. Ayan, positive tayo palagi guys. Bawal tayong negative. And dapat happy lang. Ayun. Grabe. Kung namubusog siya guys, baya mag-contract na ang tiyan. But yeah, this is normal kasi nag-practice contractions na tayo. And sa stage na to, normal talaga siya. Ayun. But anyway, see you on the next vlog. Hey, hey!